chia seeds are recognized for their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining healthy digestive function. It promotes regular bowel movements, aiding in waste elimination. Improved gut health can prevent various digestive issues. Chia seeds are a concentrated source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for maintaining optimal heart health. These fatty acids also support healthy brain function and cognitive processes. Omega-3 seconds play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Regular consumption of chia seeds can contribute to lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Chia seeds are a valuable plant-based source of protein. This composition qualifies chia seeds as a complete protein source. Complete proteins are vital for muscle repair and growth. Chia seeds contribute to overall body maintenance, especially for those on vegetarian and vegan diets. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which are beneficial compounds for health. Antioxidants function by protecting cells from oxidative damage. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help prevent cellular damage. Ultimately, consuming antioxidants contributes to overall health and potentially promotes longevity. Chia seeds are a valuable source of essential minerals. They contain significant amounts of calcium, crucial for bone health. Chia seeds also provide magnesium, supporting nerve function. These minerals collectively enhance bone strength, dental health, and overall nerve function. Combining chia seeds, lemon, and honey in water creates a hydrating drink. This mixture replenishes electrolytes, aiding in bodily functions. The drink helps flush out toxins from the body. It supports weight loss by controlling appetite and boosting fat metabolism. Begin by soaking 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in 1 cup of warm or room temperature water. Allow the seeds to soak for 10-15 minutes until they develop a gel-like consistency. Once gelled, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey to sweeten the mixture. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Consume the drink on an empty stomach in the morning or as a mid-afternoon energy booster.